Welcome to Autopay Online Plus, your new digital gateway to Bacs. In this video, we will introduce you to Autopay Online Plus and show you how easy it is to use. Autopay Online Plus enables you to collect direct debit payments from your customers and make direct credit payments, great for payroll and supplier payments. Autopay Online Plus is a cloud-based solution, which means you can access the solution securely and simply through your web browser, removing the requirement for a physical software installation. As a cloud-based solution, this means you no longer need to manage software updates yourself. The solution is centrally updated, ensuring a solution that's always up to date and ready for you. Autopay Online Plus requires 2 factors of authentication to log in and access the system. This increases the security at login. When logging into Autopay Online Plus for the first time, you are required to activate your user account by creating a new password and security questions. You'll then register your multi-factor authentication key fob. You'll receive your key fob in the post or from your administrator. After you set up your account, every time you log into Autopay Online Plus, you'll be prompted to enter your email address, password, and verification code from your MFA key fob. Once you're in the solution, navigating around is straightforward and intuitive. The settings menu enables you to administer your system, and from here you'll have the ability to add new users to your company, manage existing users, and create roles, which provides you with the functionality to set up and manage user access and permissions within the system. In Autopay Online Plus, you can add additional security around the administration of your system through the dual administration functionality. Dual administration requires administrative changes such as adding or deleting users or setting and amending permissions to be authorized by more than one person. Getting your payments into the solution is easy. One route is a simple drag and drop of a file created from your enterprise resource planning or accounts package in Autopay Online Plus. A team will help you to set up the system to accept your file formatting. Autopay Online Plus has automated file upload and encryption solutions, available to further enhance automation and security. Autopay Online Plus automatically processes and validates your file, completing modular checks, highlighting any errors it sees, such as invalid sort codes and account numbers, and alerting you to potential duplicate submissions. There is the option to manually input payments into the system rather than uploading a payment file. The ability to do this is controlled by your Autopay Online Plus administrator. Now your payments are in the system, the chosen approval process takes over. That might be one person approving and committing the payment all on their own, but for many organizations, it is necessary for multiple people to be involved in the approval and submission process. You will also need to enter a code from your key fob device when you make your submissions to Bacs as an extra layer of security. Previously, you needed to tell Bacs that it was you making the payment using your smart card and smart card reader. With Autopay Online Plus, we now do this for you using a cloud security module. This is an industry standard method of authentication, which removes the need for you to use smart cards and smart card readers. Within Autopay Online Plus, you can set up to 3 individuals to approve a payment file before committing, and this is easily configurable from the settings menu. Email notification is included within Autopay Online Plus. This allows you to configure your solution in simple and complex structures to allow for any scenario with people being alerted that it's their turn to do the next step in the process. In Autopay Online Plus, you have the ability to create custom rules to highlight to you any suspicious behavior, duplicate amounts, or account details that are within the same payment file to prevent sending a payment file to Bacs where unscrupulous account details have been entered. You have the comfort of knowing that Autopay Online Plus provides your business with a complete audit trail that is available as a read-only format. Once you've made a payment, should any direct debit or direct credit payments fail, a report will be made available to you in Autopay Online Plus through the payments menu. To support your migration journey, we have scheduled weekly Q&A sessions where a member of the migration team will be available to answer your questions. Dates and details of how to attend can be found in your registration email. More information, including FAQs, can be found on the Autopay Online Plus webpage. Alternatively, you can contact the migration team direct via email. Once you have decided on whether to migrate to Autopay Online Plus, beginning your migration journey is simple and straightforward. After receiving your registration email and reading through the terms and conditions, simply complete the on-screen forms and return these back to the migration team. We will then check and process your application and get in touch with you at a later stage to set up your account. You will then be required to provide an anonymized test file for each payment profile that you will have set up on the new system. Once you've sent your test file over, we'll configure Autopay Online Plus to accept your file. After we have completed the configuration in Autopay Online Plus with the test file you provide, you will need to go through some simple steps to test the file upload. Once you have completed this test successfully, you are ready to make live payments in Autopay Online Plus.